the LG B20 example, and today I'm doing a video for the Samsung Galaxy A21 very much by T-Mobile. So this is the new phone, very much by T-Mobile, and it's available now for you to purchase if you guys are interested. So this is what the phone looks like. The phone looks like very nice. If I was one notice of one thing though, this does have 4 cameras in the back. So that is pretty cool for a phone like this. Like I said, this is a budget phone. The mattress is pretty nice. And of course you have the whole point between things. So camera. So quick spots, you have the expandable storage up to 512 gigabytes. Bluetooth 5.0 and a long lasting 4,000 battery. So the Galaxy A21 is $259.99. So on the phone, you guys want the whole bunch of some camera, power and brain keys, a little bit on the right side. And your micro SD and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone. So, and the camera does still have that just a bit. And to the back of the video, you guys will have 4 cameras. Camera first, 5 sensors and Samsung logo. So let's get a closer look at this camera side. Wait for this to load. I don't know why I said not this long to load this, but whatever. It just thing wants to load it. I don't know, dude. But anyways, you guys want the main camera, ultra wide, depth sensor, and the macro lens right here. So if it loads it, okay, finally loaded. So, like I said, you have your main camera at the top, ultra wide lens, depth sensing lens, and your macro lens that are at the bottom. Of course, camera flash, fingerprint, Samsung logo, and stuff like that. So, I don't know why it took that long to fucking load this one this way. But anyway, it says with the Samsung Galaxy A21. Red line border, watch it, or come here. Just watch it will come out. Really massive 6.5 inch implemented this way. Capture perfect photos with this versatile 4 lens camera. So, like I said, they have a main camera lens, ultra wide, depth sensor, and macro lens. So, pretty cool. They got a long lasting battery at 4,000 milliamps, 6.5 inch imprinted display, quad cameras with a 16 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel depth lenses. And it's probably a 2 megapixel macro lens as well, probably. So, yeah, and you get expandable storage up to 512 gigs. So, pretty nice. So like I said, quad cameras, 16 megapixel, main camera including ultra wide, depth and macro lenses, 6.5 inch implemented display, HD screen with a resolution of 720 by 1600. So this is a 720p display. So keep that in mind. Of course, 4,000 mAh battery. The battery right there, 4,000 milliamps. It says get creative with your photos. Use the 16 megapixel menu camera ultra wide type of macro lenses to get the perfect shot in a snap. Save more photos and videos. Take advantage of the expandable storage up to 512 gigabytes and keep more of what's available in your phone. So you have that option, so you that video there. So specs on this Galaxy A21, you do get 32 gigabytes of storage, 3 gigabytes of RAM, I believe, and 512 gigabytes of micro SD expansion. 6.5 inch NVDA display with the 720p display, quad rear facing hard focus camera with LED flash plus 16 megapixel lens, a 13 megapixel front facing camera, 512 gigabytes of micro SD with a hotspot, 18 hours of talk time, Android 10 of course with MUI, octa-core processor, and the Galaxy A21 weighs 6.88 ounces, so it's one is a little heavy there, so not too bad. Here are some accessories for the Galaxy A21. But if you guys want to get accessories for the Galaxy A21, try Amazon for your accessories for the A21. So get your accessories from Amazon for the Galaxy A21. Alright. So do you guys have it? The Samsung Galaxy A21 is not here at Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now for $259.99. Specs in here are not that bad. They're okay. I know this is a budget slash mid-range smartphone. Thinking like the selling point for this phone is it's better in its cameras. You do get 4 cameras on the back of the phone, which is pretty cool. So pretty nice that this you get 4 cameras on the back of this phone here. So this is a slight upgrade over the Galaxy A20 from last year. The A20 has I don't know what else the A20 had, but this one has Android 10. So and the A20 probably will not be Android 10, but this has it. So if you guys have the A20, it's on you if you guys want to upgrade to the A21. So yeah. So there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A21 now available at Metro by T-Mobile for $259.99. Kind of pricey for the phone, but you do have to take into account of the features that you're getting with this one, especially the camera features. So that's when the price is like that. So yeah, it's up to you if you guys want to pay $260 for the phone. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A21. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If that's my peace and rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.